So today we had a look at the Boss Metalzone pedal, which is most probably one of the most controversial pedals in our gear world today. We saw this used in 3 different applications now. First one was straight out of my guitar into the Boss Metalzone, into my DI box, and straight into my Focusrite 202, and I loaded up 2 notes wall of sound, which acted as a power amp and cab simulation software. And it actually sounded and felt really good. I mean, I was actually quite impressed. And I mean, you can listen to the audio for yourself and tell me what you think. And then the second way that I used this pedal was I put a boost in front of it. The MXR Custom Audio Electronics Boost Overdrive. And it reacted pretty cool. It did exactly what a high gain boost should do. And then the third aspect, which is more for live musicians, was taking this pedal straight into the return of my crate. My crate acted as a power amp, and then I loaded up 2 notes wall of sound, again, just to keep any variables out of place. So yeah, this is the only EQ that I used on the entire guitar tracks. I did no boosting, only a high pass filter and a low pass filter to clear things up. Yeah, so is this really a bad pedal, or have people just been using it wrong?